Good morning guys, and this is Coding with Gautam. Today I am telling you how to code the level Pressure Plate. So this is in game development 2. So our goals are to win the game, activate all the fire spewers, and spawn at least 30 munchkins. Collide events can tell you when two objects collide, but what about objects that don't collide? Use your main game loop to check for a hero's proximity to a non-colliding object. So you have your player and next in this X mark, which creates a stone X mark like this at 20, 20, and 10, 20. So if their distance is like less than 1, so he's like very close, he's like almost standing on the square, and do something interesting, type whatever you want. So he jumps, he attacks somebody, and next in it just checks the proximity. So this is telling us how to use distance to check for the proximity, and that gives us a nice whole events. So let us just restart the level. So let us just read from top to bottom. So he spawns the maze 3, which is this type of maze, and next then you have 5 forest pieces which he added for extra, and he added fire cannons 1, 2, 1, 2, and then he added them vertical so they both look like up down, and the spam cooldown is 0 and it's disabled so that it doesn't start firing the first second we start spawning stuff. These will trigger our fire. The bone X will trigger our fire. No wait, sorry. The bone X will trigger our fire and the stone X will trigger the munchkin spawning. Game spawn 0, game defeated 0. The UI of the game tracks the spawned and defeated. So if a munchkin is defeated, what this function does is, if a munchkin is defeated, it adds 1 to our defeated column right over here. Okay, and then it sets this for munchkin, and it spawns 2 munchkins every time for 0.25 seconds, and this is the spawn munchkin over time. So if the time is like greater than or equal to 0.25, it spawns 2 munchkins, one over here and one over here, and then it keeps spawns plus equal to, and next it does that again and again. So check bone X. So it checks if I'm near to the bone X, and if I am there, they start firing, else they're disabled. So now what we need to do is make sure that they're on when we got on this. So when we get on the bone X. So now we have to check. So when we are like on the bone X, the disabled should be false. They should start shooting fireballs. So for that we write statements. And yes, we're done. Fire 1, fire 2, fire 3. And next then they start like shooting. And next then check stone X. So we saw a function for the bone X right over here. We should do the same thing for the stone X. So we know that this is working. So why don't we save ourselves some time by just copy, paste, done. We gave ourselves some nice work done. So now we need to make changes. We want the stone X's distance to the player because we don't want him checking the bone X for that, so we'll start shooting, firing, which will be a whole mess. And then you should call spawn munchkins over time, which spawns the munchkins. So I should just keep this over here and semicolon. Not there, over here. Okay, semicolon done, and use game dot set goal state true. Okay, so now that's done. Okay, so some of you guys might be saying, I did everything correct, but my munchkins aren't spawning. This is what happens. So you have to stay on the X long enough so that he like at least spawns 30 munchkins. So see, once he just spawned 6 munchkins, I get out of there, nothing's gonna happen. I have to be on the bone X for him to keep spawning munchkins. And I should do that until he at least has 30 munchkins. And we reach the limit. And then we just get out of there. So then we go to the right. Oh wait, I didn't have enough distance from the tree. So you just go over there, and then you go over here, go up there. This is gonna take a little while. Over here. It's gonna take an hour since it starts the firing. Start the firing. Firing. Now you're gonna see death on those munchkins over there. Defeated 20, 22, 24, 25, 26, 30. 30 guys defeated. These guys are like dodging the fireballs. And we're done. Victory. Watch your step. So now, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the solutions. And if you have like any doubts, just go in the comments below and send me your doubts. I'll try and clear them. And so yeah, these are the solutions for pressure plate. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel. And thank you guys for watching. This is Coding with Gautam, and I'll see you next time.